Okay, so what we're doing now is actually page 80, develop your skills 3-1, manage the customers and jobs list. So all I did right now so far is on my desktop there was the QuickBooks icon and I clicked it and I just waited and it brought me to this page. So I'm going to do remind me later. And it's opening up QuickBooks for me. I'm going to say no. And then I'm going to move this, I'm going to click the reminders box closed. I don't want to look at it right now. And I'm going to click the Accountant Center box closed. Don't want to look at it right now. Then I'm going to take this corner and drag it to make it bigger so I can see. Okay, so what we're going to do in this chapter, which is called Develop Your Skills 3-1, Manage the Customers and Jobs List. In this exercise, we're going to manage the customers and jobs lists. And the first step is to open QuickBooks and then the company file or a portable file. So that's what we did. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is actually go to File. Well, we did that. Actually, we're going to do it right now. File, open or restore company. We're going to say restore a portable file. We're going to hit next. I'm going to look on my USB drive. So I'm going to go to this PC and then removable disk. And this folder, this is the name I gave the folder, QB QuickBooks 2014. And I'm going to look to find the folder that says student exercise files. Click it. Portable files, click it. And then I'm going to look for the one that says DYS Chapter 3. Here we go. Click it. And I'm going to hit next. Okay, and it's asking me where do I want to save it. So I'm going to hit desktop and I'm going to save it on the desktop. I'm going to name it, give it my name, and then put the number 1 because I already have it on my desktop because I was working on it before, so I'm going to put Nadine 1 and I'm going to hit save. So after I do that, it's bringing in that file for Chapter 3 so that we can work on it. That file came with the book, so it has some exercises in it. So these are the exercises for Chapter 3. And we are doing exercise 3-1, develop your skills, manage the customers and jobs list. So now it's just taking a few minutes to open the file. And as soon as it opens, what we are going to do is edit an existing customer. So we're going to see it in a minute, but we're going to see a customer list, a list of our customers. And one of the customers is called DC Athletic Club. And it's spelled wrong. Somebody did not spell it correctly. So the first thing we're going to learn how to do is edit an existing customer. We're not going to delete it, we're just going to fix it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to edit. So as soon as this file opens, we'll be able to do that. Okay, so it says opening portable file may take several minutes, so here it goes. Okay, looks like it's almost there. Update company, yes. Updating data. So again, the first thing we're going to do is edit an existing customer. The second thing we're going to do is add a new customer. And so this is how you fix the customers you have or keep adding new customers. Okay, first step, edit an existing customer. Okay, we're going to say okay. We are going to click X to close the reminder box. We are going to click X to close the Accountant Center. We are going to make this bigger. Then we're going to go to Edit, and then we're going to, Customers. We're going to go to Customers, and from Customers we are going to go to the Customer Center. Okay, and then I'm going to make this bigger so we can see, and then we're going to look down to find DC Athletic Club. There it is, and it's spelled wrong, so we're going to open this box a little bit more so we can see better. Maybe I'll push this one closed a little bit this way. I'm going to double click it. Okay, and we're going to make some changes here, 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 and here. Okay, so basically we're going to put an L for athletic, and we're going to put a C instead of a P, capital C. Okay, again, L for athletic, and oops, not capital L, and not there, L. The next one is capital C. Okay, the next area here, athletic, put an L, not a capital L, little l. Okay, and then capital C. Okay, and last place, athletic, L, and then we put C. Okay, so we have it fixed in 4 places. And when you finish that, you can just hit OK. We did it. Okay? Then the next thing we're going to do is add a new customer. So how do we add a new customer? We go to New Customer. See this tab? New Customer. Click there, hit New Customer. We have a new customer. The new customer's name is Dance a Little. So we're going to put the name of the customer. Okay, the date that we got the customer is December 1st. So we're going to click here. I'm going to click the back arrow. It's December, the new customer was December 1st. There it is. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is going to put the name of the customer again over there. And then I'm going to also put the name of the person that we talked to there. And then I'm going to put her last name. And then I'm going to put her title, which is manager. And then I'm going to put the main phone number, 650 555 6379. And then I'm going to put the address under here, so 541 Humboldt Avenue, Bayshore, California 91547. I'm going to hit copy, and oops, yes, that's right. And we're going to hit OK, and we're going to hit OK. So that means, let me hit it again so we can open it. So this is the address that the bill goes to, and this is the address that anything we mail to them goes to. So then we're going to hit OK, close it, and then the next thing we're going to do is click the Payment Settings tab. So where is the Payment Settings tab? Let's go back again. Click down a little. Okay, so we are on Address Info tab. We're going to go to Payment Settings tab. This is the account number GD-54, GD-54. We are going to put payment terms net 15, which means we want the customer to pay us in 15 days or less. We're going to go next to the Additional Info tab, and we are going to put customer type from advertisement. How did our customer hear about us? They heard about us from an advertisement. We want to keep track of that. And then that's all we need for here, so we're going to hit OK. The next thing we're going to do is go back to New Customer and Job, and we are going to add a job. Okay, so the jobs, we're going to call it Project number 19. And this is the job that our customer's we're going to do for the customer, job number 19 or project 19. So when we do that, we hit OK, and then we're done for now. So we're going to close the customer center, and we are home. And that's the end of this lesson 3-1.